Hey yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Gas.sa. So, we are back. I know I've been very quiet. I really do apologize about that. But we are back in action with some great content coming your way. Today we've got another Royals, almost said victim, another Royals member. And he brought out his Nissan SX, 200 SX. And it's no stranger to the scene. I'm sure a lot of you guys who's watching this video will know this car. But yeah, what a machine. Yes, it does give a bit of problems, but this is the toy to have. I can tell you that much. So before we get into everything, please, if you have not yet subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. We have noticed that about 80% of the viewers are not yet subscribed. So please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also, like and share this video and drop a comment down below. What do you guys think of this beautiful SX? One thing that also I just want to mention quickly to you guys is on the 1st of October, we have teamed up with the Royals. They are hosting their own stand/car motor show. It will be held in Durbanville at the Protea Hotel. So keep your eyes, just go check out on the Royals Instagram page. All the details will be on there, and we will also be sharing some of the information on our Instagram page. So at the bottom there, go drop us a follow on Instagram and check out all the content that we are doing there. So, without further ado, let's get straight into action, shall we? What's up guys? Okay, so today we are with Cody, like I mentioned, another Royals member. I think we're gonna cut straight into action, despite what happened, but we'll get into it.
Yeah, we will.
We'll get into that. Bro, thanks so much for joining the channel.
Cool, bro. Shot for
It's been a long wait. Every time when I try and get you, then the car's broken.
Like so.
So tell us the backstory. Why the SX? How did you go? How long have you had this car for?
So it begins, man. I think with a lot of us, when you're younger, you're playing Need for Speed.
Yeah.
I also have
NFS 2.
That's it. I also had a brother, right? An older brother. So, like, my addiction to this, because I would call it that, like I love this more than anything else, started with him. And I guess, I was fortunate enough to be in a position to buy one. And I'd say the S13s, the reason for it would be, it's like, the drift missile.
Okay, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and also it turns heads. Pictures, honestly, in my opinion, I know it's gonna be biased, but pictures don't do this car justice. When you see it in person, like, it's just eye candy.
It's no, definitely. I can even say so myself.
And then I was looking around online for some time, and you actually can't really find these cars often.
That's what I wanted to say now, because it's quite hard to find. It's probably you can find one, but to try and find one in a good condition.
That's it. And also one that a backyard mechanic maybe hasn't done any work on.
Exactly, yeah.
So I was looking, eventually came across this one, and a bloke by the name Stian in Durbanville, I think it was Durbanville, yeah, he had the car for sale. And literally, bro, I went there, before he even started the car, I already had my mind made up.
I'm taking it.
That's it, yeah. So I went home that night and started chatting with him, got him to send me some pictures and stuff of the car. And this one in specific, bro, when he had it, he just bought it like 2 years prior, but he didn't drive it much. You know, he said he did like 750 Ks worth of driving under his ownership. And before he picked it up, there was like new oil pumps, there was new everything done, new pistons, head,
basically,
yeah. So I've also tried to keep it like that, bro. So when things break on the car,
as far as you can,
yeah, because I don't want to let any of the Essex guys down, you know, in the community. I just feel like I don't want to let them down, bro. So
correct.
Yeah.
So now, what have you done to the car since you bought it?
Since I've bought it, we've built the motor twice. Because I've blown them. Well, once I blew it once. Second
From
time.
sending it.
Yeah. Second time, won't get into that.
Okay.
But yeah, so engine's been rebuilt. I think we changed the CP pistons because they're quite expensive.
Okay.
So we've got CP Vossner pistons in here now. There's a Cometic head gasket. We've got a Chinese T28 turbo. Aftermarket intercooler and a little bit of other small things, but that's pretty much it, bro. Yeah, those are the important ones. Yeah, diff's still pretty much stock the same, brakes are still the same.
So nothing like intense that you've
no,
except for obviously of the turbo, and I mean like you can hear that the little baby flutter.
Yeah.
I mean,
so
no.
The T28 turbo is actually, the guys say that it's the perfect size turbo for this motor, because they say if you go for like a G30 or the size up from this, it's just there's a bit of lag. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So with the T28, like the boost kicks in at like 3.5. Yeah, and it holds all the way through to 6.
Okay,
and it's perfect. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't want to go any bigger.
Yeah, no, that's
You know,
also
like-
you don't want that turbo. You want the turbo to spool up when obviously a lot sooner than.
That's
'cause
it.
I mean, I can speak with experience with my car.
Yeah.
Mine only takes at about 4.5.
Okay. Yeah.
So by the time you hit red line, you only have that little bit of space left for boost, basically.
Correct,
So,
yeah.
and I mean, for what you wanting or planning on doing with the car is not really something that you want.
no.
What's the plans behind this whole build? You daily the car.
Yes,
So-
I daily it now. Well, look, the plans, man, I want to keep it like this, man. I don't want to take it onto a track or like drift it. I don't want to take it onto a track or like drift it.
Bruh.
I mean, I'll take it
Yeah,
onto
yeah.
like a street, a drag strip.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
do
yeah.
that. But plans with the car is just to keep it neat, bro. You know, just
And try and keep it in one piece.
and that, bro, that's very difficult.
So the story behind this is that we came out shooting, and every time when I message us, like, there's always something wrong with the car. So now today we've got the perfect opportunity. It was okay. It's a windy but yet sunny day in Cape Town, and then he decides to send it, and there's no gears.
Yeah.
So we can't even go for a drive in it.
Sorry, guys.
But it is what it is. That's why we love it.
Shout out to Craig from First Performance, bro, because he always sorts me out. Like,
He's
when
also going to tune you so
bro,
much.
actually, fuck, I haven't thought of that. He's gonna give me an earful, bro.
Yeah, no, because everyone keeps on telling you, don't do it, don't do it.
It's so hard though, bro. Like it really is difficult. to
No,
not
it
say
is.
that.
At least we got the skids on video.
There we go. So there
That's-
we go.
at
You
least
can
we got
see
some
why
action.
the car broke.
Yeah, so, but yeah, no, look, like I mentioned on the intro, that this car is no stranger to the scene. You will definitely see it more often if it doesn't break.
When I fix it, now I'm gonna get it fixed. Now.
I'm sure he will sort it out. And also, like I said, you will most probably catch this car at the Royals Car Show, like I mentioned earlier. But go follow. I'll put all of your details. I'll put all these details down in the description box below. Go check out his Instagram. There's pretty sick photos, videos of this Ogre's a lunatic when it comes to this car, but content that you will love. So go check him out. Go follow him. Send some love. But yeah, bro, I wanted to thank you.
Sweet,
Thanks for
bro.
coming out.
Oh,
And
sure.
we will catch up on you with the repairs.
I'll keep you guys posted. I'll keep you.
Let us know where we can help.
Yeah, sweet.
But yeah, guys, I think that's our time with the Essex.
Cool.
Unfortunately, we can't do any more. But I'm sure we will slap some videos on here for you guys, so you guys can have a check. And yeah, we'll take it from there. But we will catch up with Cody as soon as the car's back up and running again, and then we'll do a follow-up video. So yeah, stay safe.
Cheers, guys.